Fitting your soft gel mask correctly is important. Let's show you how. First, your clinician will determine the cushion size that is right for you. The mask can then be prepared for fitting. Now with the mask over your nose, pull the headgear over your head. Then clip the lower strap into place. Adjust the top straps. Then the bottom straps to a comfortable position. Attach the tube to the swivel and you're ready to go. Adjust the microfit dial to a position that optimizes mask seal. If there's a leak at the nasal bridge, adjust the microfit dial by winding it in. A leak above the lips can be corrected by winding the dial out or by pulling the bottom straps tighter. You can also reposition the mask on the face by lifting and replacing it correctly. Disassembly of your mask is a simple task. First, remove the headgear. Then remove the elbow and the swivel. Detach the dial and remove the forehead support, taking the pads from it. Next, remove the cushion from the frame by squeezing the clips inwards. Then separate the cushion from the clip. Finally, remove the ports cap. You can now wash your soft gel mask using warm water and a gentle soap. A soft bristle brush will help clean the vents. Rinse each part in clean water, then lay out to dry. Complete the same process with the headgear. Reassembling your mask is simple. First, attach the ports cap to the frame. Then attach the clip to the cushion, checking that the clip is fully engaged in the cushion and that the cushion is not caught under the clip like this. Then attach the cushion to the frame, making sure all three tabs are properly engaged. Now the pads can be connected to the forehead support, which is then attached to the frame. Wind the microfit dial back to 1 until it clicks. Push the swivel into the elbow. Then, attach the assembly to the frame. Finally, connect the headgear, making sure that clips click fully into place. Before wearing the mask, you should wash your face, removing any excess oils. Here are some troubleshooting tips. You should make sure that the cushion clips are correctly attached. And check that the cushion is fully engaged within the frame, making sure it is securely attached at all 3 points. If air is leaking around the face, check that the mask is positioned correctly. If the leak is at the nose, wind the microfit dial in. If the leak is below the mask, wind the microfit dial out or gently tighten the bottom headgear straps. We hope this fitting guide helps you enjoy the use and care of your soft gel mask. From ResMed,